নমস্কার, আমি লালিয়া দত্তগুপ্ত সংস্কৃতি কলকাতা তরফ থেকে। আজকের এপিসোডটা হচ্ছে পুরো 89, এপিসোড নাম্বার 89। এটা হচ্ছে পুরো কাতান বেনারসি আর তসর বেনারসি দুটো মিক্সড করে দেখাবো আমি, দু রকমই ভ্যারাইটি যেগুলো এখন স্টকে আছে। শোন, দেখতে থাকুন, আপনারা অনেকদিন ওয়েট করেছেন বেনারসির ওপর। সুতরাং দেরি না করে আজকের এপিসোডটা শুরু করুন। প্রোডাক্ট নাম্বার 1, প্রথমগুলো আমি কাতানি দেখাই। প্রোডাক্ট নাম্বার 1 কাতান বেনারসি। কালারটা হচ্ছে খুব সুন্দর একটা এমেরাল্ড গ্রিন, ডার্ক এমেরাল্ড গ্রিনের সাথে পার্পল কম্বিনেশন, পার্পল অ্যান্ড এমেরাল্ড গ্রিন ইন অ্যান্টিক গোল্ড, কপার গোল্ড জারির ওপর। কালারটা ভীষণ সুন্দর একটা কম্বিনেশন, ডার্ক গ্রিন, ডার্ক emerald green with purple combination border, ছোট ছোট all over বুটা, pallu 12,500, pallu and purple blouse piece, purple blouse piece 12,500 rupees, purple blouse piece। পুরো শাড়িটা এভাবে যাবে অল ওভার উইভিং এর ওপর। খুব রিচ লুকিং। এই পার্পল বর্ডার আর পার্পল ব্লাউজটা দেওয়াতে কিন্তু লুকটা অনেক রিচ আসবে। আর এগুলো সমস্ত হ্যান্ড ওভেন পিওর কাতান বেনারসি অ্যান্ড হেভি কোয়ালিটি। প্রোডাক্ট নাম্বার 2, এটা খুব ইন্টারেস্টিং, খুব সুন্দর নতুন বুনে এসছে। বর্ডারটা আমি দেখাবো। ইটস আ লেমনিশ, পাতি লেবুর খোসার কালার, লেমনিশ মানে গ্রিনিশ ইয়েলো, ঠিক মানে খুব আনকমন কালার কম্বিনেশন উইথ মিনা woven border. It's an awesome border. The weave is very very exclusive and it's all Karwal weaving with blouse piece. It will also be very rich. This is the blouse piece. It's a woven blouse piece. Just check out the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. It's fully striped woven blouse piece. The upper part will have the natural yellow color. It will not have the Meena border in the upper part. The lower part will have the inner border. It's a very smart sari, and since it doesn't have any buta or not too much contrast, so you can wear it to any normal occasions also, not necessarily you have to wear it for weddings. But it's a lovely piece of product, and especially the weave. See the back side, it's absolutely woven. 14,500, heavy quality Katan Benarosi with rich woven blouse piece. All over sari will be similar type. And these are all very heavy quality and all hand woven Karwal weave and Karwa weave that we say, with Meena border. Very smart looking sari. Actually very traditional and very uncommon. This weave is really uncommon. So I'll show you another color in that, a few more colors similar type in. See, check out this color. This is a different kind of a same Meena border. See the border. It's a very rich woven border. Again, the upper part will be in solid, the regular border. The lower part will have the Meena border. These are all Katans. No buta, only border pallu concept. Only border pallu concept with, see the rich border. Since that's why the border, we've asked the weaver to weave it very rich border, since there's no buta, and once you'll wear it with this woven rich blouse piece. See the blouse piece of this. Product number 3, 14,500. See the lovely blouse piece. Benares, UP is 1.5 months in lockdown. Kolkata almost 1 month in lockdown. So in spite of that, I know how I'm outsourcing these kind of fabrics and these kind of weaves to bring them, and the parcels, the couriers are all in halt. So either my weavers are ready to deliver, but the courier is closed. But then the courier opens, then there's a lockdown in Kolkata. So it's very difficult how I'm managing these episodes. But whatever I'm showing, you will see each episode is very different from the other. Every time there's something new weave that's coming up, and my weavers are working very hard to create these exclusive handloom products. Black border pallu, Meena border. Again, check out this border, product number 4. All you have to do is take the screenshot of the product, and the number is very important. The product number is very important. Take the screenshot of the product and WhatsApp to any one of the number. Maybe, and since we are opening only for 12 to 3, it's a bit delayed. We are delaying a bit in replying. This is also 14,500 with this blouse piece. Once I confirm you the availability of the product, then we will courier it to you. This is with all over buta, paisley buta, without a border in the blouse, because the blouse piece is very rich. Once I confirm you the booking, I'll give you the business account bank details. Once the payment is done, first come first serve basis, then the product will be shipped. And since 1 pieces each, please understand that we don't create these beauties in bulk. These are in limited edition, so there are not many products of the same exact type. We have many katan, more than 200-300 pieces katan in our store, but each different from each other. It's a dual tone Rani color, rich Rani color, dual tone. Again, I'll show you the border. It's in gold zari, light gold zari. Pallu 14,500, both side Meena Karwa border, Tilfi buta. See the so intricate, the zari work, it's so rich and intricate. And see the contrast purple blouse piece, Rani and purple combination, magenta kind of purple, and that also in dual tone. These are very heavy quality katan. More heavier it's not there. This is the most heaviest quality, the best quality katan. Now another in rich bottle green and viridian green. It's a dual tone, it's a peacock green color actually. Peacock green color with red combination. Peacock green with red combination and red blouse piece. Lovely big butas all over. This is an always evergreen combination, and you know we love this color combination since it's green and red, and it really Indian complexion. This color looks really very nice. Just check out the border. It's all gold red border. Pallu part. Product number 6, 12,900 with red katan blouse piece. 12,900, all handloom hand woven product. Here is the sari. According to the government rules, 12 to 3 we are opening Cornfield Road branch. Courier is regular. Only a few states where there is strict lockdown, there the delivery will be delayed. Otherwise, we are doing couriering. And in Kolkata, during the lockdown, we are not doing cash on delivery. When the lockdown is over, we will do cash on delivery. Now see this. Shikarga all over weave. I really want to show you. This is an absolutely piece of art. I mean, it's a stunning piece. Peacock blue color all over zari shikarga weave throughout the body with Meena double border. See, rich border. Even the border has shikarga weave. So single color. I mean, not single color, single piece, of course. See the richness of the sari. So much of weave. And here is the pallu. 18,900 rupees. 18,900. It's a bridal collection and a signature piece. I'll show you the blouse. Even the blouse is very uncommon and rich. Here goes the blouse piece. It's a dual tone magenta color, purplish magenta. Stunning piece of weave. 18,900 rupees. Again, here is the blouse piece with all over weave. Product number 7, slate color. Same thing, I'll show you 3 colors in shikarga, only 3 pieces, and this is done no other than my master weaver. Slate color with red and magenta orange, 3 color border. I'm sure you can see the weave. Absolutely stunning weave. Pallu. 18,900 rupees. Take the screenshot of the product, WhatsApp to the number provided. The description is already mentioned. You have to just check out the description if you have any confusion about the color or the price. And once I give you the confirmation, the product will be shipped once I receive the payment along with delivery charges. And we have 2 branches in Kolkata. One is 12 Jamil Lane, Baliganj, Kolkata 19. Here goes the blouse piece. It's in maroon color. 12 Jamil Lane, Baliganj, Kolkata 19. And the other one is 2C Cornfield Road, Baliganj, Kolkata 19. We are couriering regularly. Tailoring orders are accepted, but it will take time because of the lockdown for the time being. Otherwise, we'll do the delivery within 10 days. 18,900 rupees. Here is the whole sari. Rich slate color shikarga. Now black. Jet black with copper gold all over weave. 18,900 rupees. Jet black and gold combination. See the border. Here is the pallu. Hand woven pure handloom product with maroon blouse, dual tone maroon blouse. Of course, the blouses, all these blouses will have the border. It's a masterpiece actually, these weaves, so rich and beautiful pieces. Now comes Tussar Banarasi. Product number 10. Shifting to Tussar Banarasi from Katan. The previous ones, the 9 saris that I showed initially were hand woven Katans. Now this is pure Tussar. Silver and antique gold Tilfi Buta. Silver with antique gold. Temple border. Body is in slate color. It's a charcoal black color actually. A dark slate color. Blackish grey. Pallu 11,500. All handloom product, hand woven, 11,500. All over butta, and here goes the rich woven blouse piece. Wear it with this blouse actually, because these are, I always give, the blouses are my speciality. Even a regular sari, the blouse I always try to give it a little different so that the whole look becomes very rich on wearing. The blouse definitely matters in a sari. Here is the whole sari. Product number 10, slate color. The mannequin is wearing another Tussar Banarasi. Just see how rich it's looking. See the fall, the good quality, the fall will be very visible. 13,500 in dark midnight blue and red combination. Paisley on the top, and the lower part will be in paisley with floral, the broad border, and of course it will have a red kattan silk blouse piece. 13,500 rupees. Now I am coming to other tussars. Again Tilfi butta. This is another unique combination in burgundy color, purplish color, purplish burgundy. It's actually purple only, dual tone purple, dark purple. 11,000, it's product number 11, 12,500 rupees, 12,500. Check out the Meena buttas, lovely Meena butta with blue border. The combination is very uncommon. The blue border and the blue pallu, blue blouse piece. It's a turquoise blue combination with purple tone, brinjal tone. Product number 11. See the sari, the buttas. Very smart looking combination. We have the Sanskriti Kolkata Facebook page. Once you like on the page these products, you can see the still photos. There are other albums also, like Tussar Banarasi album, the Silk Route collection album, the Tussar Banarasi album. These will be uploaded. The Kattan silks will be uploaded in the Silk Route collection album, also the bridal collection. So check out our Facebook page also, Sanskriti Kolkata Facebook page. And there's the Insta page also, that the link is, both the links are already provided. And once you check out the page, you can get more choices. Select from the recent uploads, the old ones are not available. This is the pallu, product number 12, 11,900. It's a Rani color. 11,900 dual tone Rani with blouse piece. Again rich woven blouse piece. See such tiny weave, small ball weave throughout, the katha kind of a weave. The backside you will understand. With the blouse piece, and it will have all over Meena butta. All hand woven Karwa sarees. See the buttas, the border, very rich. Dual tone Rani color. Now our signature collection of Tussar Banarasi Mughal butta. Tussar Banarasi Mughal butta. It's a signature collection and it's very much in demand. At present we have 2-3 colors. This is the burgundy color with red and Rani butta, antique zari, but absolutely very rich and looks so gorgeous on wearing. I had worn a black one in one of the previous episodes. I have a lovely coffee in this also. If you are interested, I'll show you the picture later. If you request me, I can show you the coffee color. That's also a very rich color combination. Just check out this color. It's a burgundy color. Lovely fall. These all the Tussar kattans, since these are all pure quality, the fall is very good, and they will never go out of fashion, and you can wear it generation wise. all heritage sarees, all heirloom collections. Pure tussar. This is the price is 12,900. I think. Let's see. 12,900 rupees. Product number 13. Now product number 14. Green on green, bottle green. The uniqueness of this is the butta. See, these are neon color buttas. Looks very rich. Since it's a tone on tone, it's looking so nice. This is mustard, this is olive, this is neon lime green color. Beautiful, rich color combination, little different. And it doesn't have a contrast border, but the zari is directly woven in the sari. All hand woven. 11,700 rupees. 11,700. Throughout the butta will be there. And I'll show you the blouse piece. This is running blouse with the border. Here is the border. I didn't want to do anything with the blouse because I wanted to keep it the natural color, the all green color I wanted to keep in that one. Now comes new collection of Tussar Banarasi again. See the pallu. Meena butta, meena border. Here. Very clearly, closely I am showing you. See the rich woven border. By seeing it, you can understand the hand of the karigar, the experience, the skill of the craftsman. 15,500 rupees. 15,000. This is the back part. 15,500. All Karwal weave. Soft, very good quality tussar. The border and here is the border. The border is in satin silk, so that the richness comes, because the tussar will be a bit matte. Gorgeous sari, lovely shade, yellow with Rani orange combination, and that also with this Katan silk blouse. Tussar sari with Katan silk blouse piece. Here is the blouse piece. Hence the richness, hence the border and the pallu and the blouse is in Katan silk. 15,500 yellow Rani combination. I have another rich combination, a pink tone on tone, product number 16. Throughout butta, dual tone, pink on pink. This looks lovely on wearing actually. The yellow, the pinks. Here is the sari. You can check out the dual tone of the product. This is the border. Same price. Here is the blouse piece. It's in Rani color blouse piece. Katan silk blouse. This is the pallu. This is the blouse piece. You will really love the fabric. Once those who start wearing these pure products, they'll never feel comfortable in wearing the art ones. Dark midnight blue. With Rani blouse. Here is the blouse piece. So it's another rich combination of dark midnight blue and Rani. Same price. See the buttas also. The buttas are beautiful buttas. Very intricate, very neat finish. And I'm very, very particular about the polish of these saris also. On the polish depends, the whole look of the sari depends on the polish of a pure Banarasi. Now, the one that I'm wearing, Tussar Banarasi with antique silver zari woven butta. This is a black one, black and silver, antique silver. See the paisley woven antique silver border. It is, it's a two-tone silverish color, not the pure Chandni look. It is not whitish. It's a lovely shade of silver. 13,900 rupees, 13,900 with rich woven pallu and of course rich woven blouse piece. Stunning piece, silver, wear it with the silver junk jewelry. Even the one that I'm wearing, the choker one that I'm wearing, with this it's 4,900 rupees without the earring, 4,900. It's a lovely jhumka ghungru with the ruby setting and stone setting. It's a lovely rich neck piece, designer look, absolutely. And 13,900 for the sari, jet black with silver zari weave. In tussar, and of course I showed you the blouse piece. You can wear it with that blouse. It looks stunning with that blouse, all black. The one that I'm wearing, same price. It's a peacock blue color, and here is the blouse piece with this peacock blue and silver. The pallu, I'll show you all the colors in this. All the colors go very well with silver zari. It's a royal blue, dark royal blue, not the loud royal blue color. It's a navy blue kind of a royal blue. You can say it's a ink blue color. 13,900 again with of course this blouse piece. 13,900. Isn't it a beauty? Just see the weave of the border. See the back side. Very well woven, and this silver zari is very much in fashion now. You can wear it with diamonds also, you can wear it with pearls, you can wear it with the ones that like something like that what I'm wearing. You can wear it with the silver junks, and you can mix and match with two alloys, silver and gold jewelry together also. You can mix and match. Product number 20, same thing in burgundy color. Here is the sari. খুব ঘন ঘন বুটির ব্লাউজ পিস আর বডিতে একটু দূরে দূরে ব্লাউজ পিস। কালার কম্বিনেশনটা ভীষণ সুন্দর। এটার সাথে ব্লাউজ পিসটা আরেকবার আমি দেখিয়ে দিই, আঁচলটাও একবার ক্লোজলি দেখে নিন। প্রাইস সবই সেম, 13,900 রুপিস। এটা আসছে ব্লাউজ পিসের সাথে, সমস্ত ফ্রেশ উইভ হয়ে এসছে, একদম ফ্রেশ ওভেন শাড়ি, দেখেই বুঝতে পারবেন। জাস্ট পলিশটা আপনাদের সামনে আমি ফার্স্ট টাইম খুলছি, একদম মানে ফ্রেশ উইভ হয়ে আনানো হয়েছে, একদম নতুন ডিজাইনের ওপর। এটা আমাদের ফেসবুকেও এখন দেওয়া হয়নি আগে, একদম নতুন কনসেপ্টে নতুন ডিজাইনে। আর লাস্ট ওয়ান কফি কালার, সেম আমি যেরকম পরে আছি ওটারই এটা হচ্ছে ডার্ক কফি কালার। কফি কালারও ভীষণ ভাল লাগে, কফির সাথে এই যে অ্যান্টিক সিলভার ভীষণ গর্জিয়াস একটা লুক লাগে। ব্লাউজ পিস, বর্ডার তো থাকছেই ব্লাউজের মধ্যে। এটা হচ্ছে শাড়িটা, খুব আনকমন কালার এটা, মানে এগুলো খুব রেয়ার কালার কিন্তু খুব রিচ লাগে পরলে, মানে হয়তো মনে হবে ব্রাউন কালার কেন, লাল নীল হলুদ সবুজ না, বাট এর ওপর বেনারসির একটা আলাদা আভিজাত্য আছে, এগুলো মানে ভীষণ ক্লাসি আর দিস আর টাইমলেস কালেকশন। থ্যাংক ইউ সো মাচ ফর ওয়াচিং। দেখতে থাকুন, প্লিজ লাইক শেয়ার অ্যান্ড সাবস্ক্রাইব করুন, ভালো লাগলে একটু কমেন্ট লিখবেন, মেসেজ করুন কি কি আপনারা দেখতে চান। রেগুলার ইউজুয়ালি আমি অল্টারনেট ডে প্রোগ্রামগুলো করতে থাকি, যা যা যখন যেরকম যেরকম স্টক আমি রিসিভ করি আমার ভিভার বা ক্রাফটস কারিগরদের থেকে, সেগুলো দেখাতে থাকে। নমস্কার, থ্যাংক ইউ সো মাচ, কিপ ওয়াচিং।